Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something out of the ordinary. I'm gonna attempt to make a smoothie. But I need all the stuff to make this smoothie. Alright, be right back. What do I need? I need this bad boy. I need one of these. I need this. I need this. I need this. Yeah! Last, I need something from the fridge. All right, guys, I have all my things ready. Let's assemble this, all right? We're gonna open this. And then we have our frozen banana. We're gonna throw that in there. All right, guys, we have our frozen banana. Now what we have next is we're gonna add a little bit of ice. We're gonna be adding ice continuously. That seems about right. Not a lot. Hopefully I know what I'm doing. All right, let's add some water. Next, we're gonna add some milk. This is the fun part. This is where we get our trusty Huel, and we're gonna add some of it. Now, normally I like to add just one scoop, but since we're gonna have a lot of fun today, let's add two. So 1 and 2. All right, guys, looks like we're ready to start blending. Hopefully this goes right, but before you start blending, you have to get into your safety material. All right, guys, I'm ready safe. Let's start this. We're gonna turn it on. All right, it's on. All right, we're gonna start with a mild blend. Hopefully this goes okay. Whoa! Oh, okay. Let's try that one more time. Ooh, ooh, this is a bad boy. But it seems like I got it to the consistency that I want. So now what we're gonna add other fun stuff. So we're gonna get some cocoa, and you're just gonna generously just dump it in there. All right, once we got that cocoa ready, we're gonna add some of my favorite thing in the world, some Greek yogurt, and we're gonna dump it in there. All right, we're gonna add some of this dark chocolate chips. And because I'm a little tired, we're gonna add some not sponsored coffee. So we're just gonna, generously, that seems all right. All right, so now we're gonna pull out our trusty spoon, and we're gonna add some of organic peanut butter. This is probably the best thing I own right now. I'm not even gonna tell you how much it cost me, but yeah, we're just gonna generously dump it in there. Oh, come on. Ah, there we go. Oh, it's almost there, almost there, almost there. There we go. Looks like we're ready. Let's turn it back on. Blue light on. Let's go. All right, guys. Looks like that's the consistency we want. We're gonna add some secret ingredients. We're gonna add secret ingredient 1. We're gonna add secret ingredient 2. And we're gonna add 3. All right, so bottoms up. Let's get it on a nice blend. Ready, set, All right, looks like we're done. We're gonna search through. Let me see. Let me get some good ones right here. We're gonna have 2 little chips right there. Now we try. Oh my God. This is so good.
It's so good, bro.
Oh my God. I'm gonna eat this right now with some of this. Let's get a nice, ooh, yeah. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Sorry guys, it was just so good. So I mainly taste the Huel. I mainly also taste the peanut butter, peanut butter, and a hint of banana. Those are all the things that I like. So this was a success. Make it at home. Hold up, let me give it another go. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna give it another go. In all the circumstances, my rating, I would do 8 out of 12 whipped creams. Yeet! All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to try next. Bye!